Hey guys, so today we are going to be feeding all of my pets. So first we're going to be starting out with these waxworms that we've got here. They're like little caterpillars almost. It's crawling on my arm.
Ugh, it's very energetic.
And tickly too.
And do leopard geckos like these worms a lot?
Yes, they really like these. So they're really high in fat, so you only feed them once in a while.
They're kind of disgusting.
Yeah, they're like half caterpillar and half maggot.
Who's sticking her head out? Hello, Pebbles.
And she may be a little bit scared of this light because she's nocturnal. So she's a little shy of these now because she's never seen them before. So we put the food in the cup and then we lean it over so that she can see and then she'll grab it.
So this is what she's used to, seeing this cup going?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't think she's ever had a wax like that. Supposedly they love them once we had them. Just gotta get her to have one.
Good? What do you think?
So also today we got a bunch of these new dubious. They come in small, medium, and large.
Does Pebbles like those a lot?
And yes, Pebbles eats them a lot.
Small,
medium, large.
okay.
So here are the little ones. Some of them were really tiny, like that one right there. There we go. So these are the medium dubious.
Oh, I do not like dubia roaches and hair on their little legs. Ugh.
And they sound like,
Yeah. Oh, they're so big. Why are they so big?
and they have their little antennas moving around, which is kind of
stop it.
creepy. See, they move like this.
Stop it.
They're like move like this.
Stop it. This is disgusting.
That's their way of sensing around, I think.
Ugh. Oh gosh, ugh, that is so big.
So she was being a little shy, so we just took the lid off her hide.
Yummy Pebbles. Yum.
Definitely looks fatter than she was. She's on the other side of the tank. Oh, and they're just licking her lips.
Licking her lips. Pebbles, did you have a good dinner?
Or breakfast food.
Breakfast. You're right. Yes.
Because she's nocturnal. This is her breakfast time.
You're right.
And then in the morning, it's her dinner time.
You're right.
And now we're going to be feeding Redtail, my dragon-scaled male betta fish.
And what does he eat?
He eats bloodworms and pellets. So here we have the pellets and bloodworms. And then they open up because there's these little slots here. So you just lift that up and there they are.
Those are pellets?
Yep, these are pellets and bloodworms are on the other side. Oh,
Oh!
It's okay, don't
Got
worry.
some bloodworm spillage there.
So basically, we use these tweezers, and then there's the bloodworm right there.
So that's one bloodworm there?
Yeah, that's one bloodworm, and oh.
And how many does he eat?
He usually gets 5 a night.
5 a night. And then does he eat in the morning too?
Yes, he eats in the morning and night. And sometimes the bloodworms get stuck, so I'm gonna have to like flip it off. 3, 4 right here. 4. And also sometimes, if your betta fish is not nowhere near it, you should put the end of your finger or the tip of your tweezers into the tank where it is, so that way he can see it. And also, if you're using your finger, you should always wash your hands, because betta fish's tank sometimes sometimes their tank just gets dirty. So he also eats 5 pellets a night, and the pellets are easy. So here, let me get a pellet. So that is one of the pellets.
Okay.
Here's where Toe's going to be eating one, right? Here. 2. Oh, 1 drop. Go down and go down. If you poke the pellets too hard, sometimes they sink. Which is kind of weird. 1 just sink.
Oh, these birds are ready to eat.
Yeah, they want food. So now we are going to be feeding all our birds. Hey, Cheaper. What we're going to start out with is pillow seed. So this is Pillow's parakeet seed. And then his seeds look like this stuff right here.
You're hungry birds.
Good.
Okay, there we go.
Yeah, so that's pillow seeds.
Okay.
Now we're gonna go with Cockatiel girl seed.
All right, so we got some seeds for Pearl.
Yep. So let's open it up. That's what their seeds look like. Pearl seeds.
Okay.
That will be enough for Pearl. And stop eating the seeds.
Got hungry birds here.
We have some pellets here.
Okay, pellets are very important. They're very healthy.
Yep, very, very healthy. And of course, Pillow actually kind of likes them.
Oh, this is not for you.
Okay,
Okay.
they're
Oh,
doing.
Pearl's already. Wait, we're not done feeding.
So now we're going to be feeding them these greens.
Okay, so what do we have? Spinach?
Spinach and broccoli.
Spinach and broccoli. Okay, we've got broccoli in there.
Here,
Broccoli for Pearl.
do that.
Broccoli for Pillow. Okay, now we
Let's
get some
spinach.
spinach. Oh!
Spinach for Pearl. Spinach for Pillow.
Spinach for Pillow, okay.
So that is what they're going to be eating. The leafy greens are very healthy for your birds, and they're eating already.
Oh, you guys got the extras here, huh?
Yeah. So now we're going to be feeding all of my Roly Pollies. Oh, and as you can see, there's a snail on the lid right here. So let's put him back. You don't want him crawling away. Because there's a Roly Poly right there. So that is a beetle running. Yep, so that is a beetle. It's really fast. Oh, jeez. No. Okay, let's put it back. Oh, yeah, there's a millipede right there. Kind of interesting. What you should feed your Roly Polies is you should feed them old spinach or any kind of leafy green. And we were about to throw this away, but we decided to feed this to the Roly Polies. And then this was some food that's already in here. It's like a leaf, and this is probably what they've been eating, this hole right here. And then this is a leaf that we found in their habitat. So they may be eating this more because this is what they're used to be eating. So that will be our Roly Polies. So now we're going to be feeding my volcano shrimp that I have here. And this is the little jar.
And what are they eating here?
They're eating the Play-Doh wafers. I'm not going to be giving them all of them. I just wanted to take some out.
What are these made out of? What are Play-Doh wafers?
They're for bottom feeders. I know that they have zucchini or cucumber or something in them.
Play-Doh wafers.
That's cool. And they're made for Play-Doh for eating. But they're for any bottom feeders because see, it says bottom feeder sinking food, so it sinks, and then it's made out of zucchini. It should sink. There we go, it's sinking.
There we go.
That's okay.
Landed on the roof.
Yes. Oh yeah. See, one's already going crazy on the one on the roof.
Oh, yeah.
See, they're going crazy on it. Oh, they dropped it. They dropped it. It's okay. They'll still eat it. Oh, yep. Look, they're attacking it. So those were all my hungry pets. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.